Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For the ones that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you are new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely does help get the channel out there. Dang, that intro's kind of long. Today's video is going to be me kind of like testing out like a new way of recording. I want to start doing vlogs on this channel because so far all I've done is kind of like doing how-tos, DIYs, or installation videos, and I don't want to keep doing that. Like, of course I'm going to continue to do it, but I don't want it to be the only thing on the channel. I feel like you guys don't get to really know me as a person. I want to start doing these vlogs that way that you guys can start to get to know me a little bit more. All you guys kind of see is on social media. Like, I feel like a lot of my personality does go out, especially on TikTok and then sometimes on the Instagram lives, but other than that, it's like, what better way to like put yourself out there, like the actual you, the real you, than to do it on YouTube, just because these videos literally have no limit. Yeah, hopefully you guys don't mind, because probably like you guys are probably gonna be getting like this weird like vlog style dry content unless I go to like meets, but other than that, like, yeah. And so again, hopefully you guys don't hate me for it. But again, I just don't have any content for the G right now up until the beginning of next month. I'm going to be talking to you guys about how, like, I think my cats are actually going out, and you guys are going to hear it because it literally sounds so weird. When it started happening, it sounded like the car was it was like a diesel, and I was just like, what the fuck? And then on the way to like my mom's, I believe for like Easter weekend, the car started smoking where like the radio was at and like where like the cassette would go. And so smoke was coming out of there, and I was like, oh shit. And so we pull over on the shoulder, come to find out that maybe it was probably an electrical fuse that might have gone out or something. Like, we haven't really checked it yet. Or maybe it could be something like an oil underlying issue. If it is the cats, which most likely it is because it sounds like it's coming from the passenger side. And so if that's the case, well, you guys know what that means. Test pipes. That's really exciting because I haven't done anything like actual like performance wise to the car yet. I still don't know what direction I want to go to, whether we just want to boost it, whether we want to like motor swap it. You can do a lot of things. I'm actually going to let you guys listen to what the car sounds like now. It sounds really weird, and yeah. You hear it? Oh my god. It sounds so weird. The only time that car actually like starts to smoke is when it's like when we're going like at a high speed, like 80 miles per hour, but yeah, it does not sound good. It sounds so bad. Oh my god. You already know you gotta park hella far. That's just how it is. But then people will still find the need to freaking park right next to you. Okay, I'm gonna run inside, grab the sushi, because I doubt they'll let me record in there just because just how this town is, you know. But ooh, look at that. Dude, you always find like interesting cars around here. Very nice. No. Okay, I'm gonna go inside, grab that, and head back home with the tall giraffe person. I'm telling y'all, I gotta go lower. Because, I don't know, it doesn't look great. The rear is fine. Dude, the roads here are so trash. Oh my god. This freaking thing sounds like a fat ass bee, I swear. Like, this does not sound right. But nonetheless, it feels freaking great outside. Like, today's a perfect day to be vlogging, and yeah, it feels, I need to get it like a wide angle lens, because this is just not it. Like, damn, it's too close. This dumbass fucking Nissan Altima, dude. It's always the fucking Altimas, dude. Why? Like, I don't understand. Dumbass really cut me off. I be getting road rage, like, for real, because I hate when people do that. Like, use your blinker. Oh my god. It is always a struggle to get into our driveway. Like, it's not as bad as mine. I mean, as his, because he be literally dragging his entire bumper. Oh, shut up. You're only acting up because you know I'm recording. Yeah. Let's see if he comes out. He usually comes out to greet me, but he's probably working. I told you he was coming out.
What's up, fucker?
Hi. You like smothered me on camera.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
Damn, and I eat her ass.
You're looking like a cinnamon stick. So I was thinking about getting these wheels. I just don't like the finish of these to like on my car. I would go like no. I like the very like silver polished look.
That shit looks dope.
It does. I'm not saying.
I think what you're going for, yeah, like not chrome, but yeah, polish would be polished chrome. Like, what is the difference?
I think chrome's more like, to me, like, okay,
Is it like a flat, bright color, and its polish is just like polished metal, or like?
I don't know, but to me, like, no offense to anyone, but like, I feel like chrome just looks like very like plasticky, like very like fake.
I put chrome on a donk, you know, on some big old wheels.
But yeah, I want to get polished wheels for my car. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. I'm hungry. Would y'all believe me if I told you that this man used spit to clean his car?
Stop exposing me. But it's like high quality gamer spit.
What does that mean?
Dude, if you can buy gamer girl bathwater, why can't I buy gamer girl spit and use it to wash my car?
Ew, babe, that's kind of weird. Okay, that's no. So I forgot to close out the video yesterday just because we got back. I wouldn't say we got back late, but we definitely did like get back at a time that we did not expect, which was a lot earlier. It's just kind of one of those like trial videos just to kind of see where you guys stand about them and then where I stand about them. But dude, I want to be like centered, but like it's so weird. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And again, new content coming out for the G next month. I'm going to be redoing my headliner. Going to be doing a lot more custom things for the interior. I'm going to start doing performance mods just because might as well, because yeah. This weekend I'm going to start looking into the actual cars to actually see what the issue is. And then yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys in the next one.